we'll guide you through how to use plugins for Blender. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your desktop. Once you're in, go to the top menu bar and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. This will open up a new window with several options on the left side. Click on Add-ons. Here, you can manage all your plugins. If you have a specific plugin you want to enable, you can use the search bar at the top to type in the name of the plugin. Once you find it, click the checkbox next to the plugin's name to enable it. If you need to install a new plugin, click on the Install button in the top right corner. This will open a file browser. Navigate to the location on your computer where the plugin file is saved, select the file, and click Install Add-on. After the installation, make sure to check the box next to the plugin to activate it. You can also access more settings for each plugin by clicking the small arrow next to the checkbox, which will expand additional options. Remember, some plugins might require additional setup or steps, so always check the documentation provided with the plugin. Once you've finished setting up your plugins, you can simply close the Preferences window, and your changes will be saved automatically. Now you can take advantage of all the new features and tools your plugins provide in Blender. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.